Hey there, this is Shweta. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are talking all about Mailerlite. If you're looking for a free and easy to use platform to start your email marketing efforts, Mailerlite is a great option. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can create a lead generation funnel inside of Mailerlite and get started with the platform in the next 15 minutes. So if that is something you're interested in, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are going to learn all about Mailerlite in just 15 minutes or less. We are going to create our funnel. Before we get started, make sure that you sign up for a Mailerlite account. You can sign up for the free account. You can find the link in the description box below.
Under account settings, so when you click here on this profile pic, you can go under account settings and then click on default settings. So here you want to create your default sender. So again, this email will need to be verified. Once that's verified, you can come in here and create your default sender. So what is the name that will be visible when your email goes out to someone? So where is the email coming from? So this would be the from name. You could enable your recipient's name. So the to field, you could enable that to be displayed. If you want to add your logo, you could do that. You could add social links here, and you could add an unsubscribe disclaimer. So you could just add some text here. I've added this right here, and then what is the text that'll be visible to them where they can click to unsubscribe for your email. So I've just updated all of these things just to make my account very clean.
So this is a funnel that we're going to build. We are going to create a landing page where someone will sign up for a free lead magnet that you're offering. We'll create a thank you page, then we'll deliver that lead magnet, and then we'll create an automation of emails that goes out to anyone who signs up on this page. Now, the example that I'm using for this particular video is a tech career guide. And so the first step is going to be creating that landing page. So for that, we're going to go under sites. And here you can see I already have it. This is an actual landing page for my brand. We are going to create something similar. So I'm going to click on create site. And here we are going to name the site. So I'm going to name this Tech Career Guide Demo. And this is a landing page. So it's just a single page. I'm going to save and continue. And here we want to select a subscriber group. If you don't already have a subscriber group, if you have a new account, you can add a new group. So you want to call it Tech Career Guide or whatever your lead magnet is, just to make sure it matches with who is receiving those emails. So they have to be signed up for the relevant lead magnet to get those emails. So I'm going to create this new one and just choose that here and continue. And this is where you will choose your template. So you can definitely start from scratch if you are a designer, but if you want to do this quick like we want to, I would just go ahead and choose a template. Let me find something that is going to be easy to use. Let's go ahead and choose this one. And again, you can choose any template that you want. I'm just choosing this as an example. So here you want to edit the template. I don't want this header here, so I'm going to remove the page header. I want to change this image. So I will edit this and edit image. And I already have images here that I've created in Canva. So I'm just going to choose this one. It is kind of a mock-up of the lead magnet. You can definitely create this easily in Canva. And I'm just going to change the text, Tech Career Guide. And then I'm just going to remove all this because I don't need it. So this is it. You can, of course, change the colors in the background. So let's see. So blue, save, and you can change colors and fonts here. You can change things here. Shadow on, off. You can change the font here. Background image. So this background is actually an image. So if you wanted to change that, you could do that by clicking here. um, I'm not sure if I want to change the background image. Now you could upload an image. You could go to a website like Unsplash or Pixelbay to get free images. I'm just going to leave this as is, or you can just delete it as well. So I'll just delete it. And then I think this is good for me. So I'm just going to save and publish. So that's it. Your landing page is ready. This is going to be the link of your landing page. I want to change this and make this tech career guide demo. So this is going to be my link. I can't have a custom domain here because I'm on the free account. That's fine. This complete thing is going to be your URL, and you'll get the link to this in a different you can also change the favicon. So this is what shows up here. You see this Mailerlite logo here. This is what shows up. I'm just going to use this. Looks weird, but that's fine. You can make SEO updates here. So I'm just going to write something here, but you can make proper SEO updates here and then save and continue. So this is your landing page. What I'm going to do is back to edit design because I want to create the thank you page. So here is the landing page, and then here you can see the success page. This is your thank you page. So I'm going to edit the page here. I want to add an image. Again, I've created this image in Canva. You don't necessarily have to add an image, but I like to add one. So I'll do that here. And then here I could just write, check your inbox for the guide. Check your inbox for the guide. So that's it. That's the thank you page. Again, you don't necessarily need to create it this way. You could just write thanks for signing up. Check your uh, check your inbox for the guide, but I just wanted to do this. So I mean, it's totally up to you. I'll just hit save. So your thank you page is ready as well. So I'm going to save and update. Okay, so now your landing page and thank you page is ready. Now I don't want a double opt-in. A double opt-in means someone signs up and then they receive an email to confirm that they've signed up. Generally, if you're based in Europe, you would need it for GDPR reasons. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to remove the double opt-in. Now, the next part, which is the delivery email. So we saw here, we've created this landing page, we've created this thank you page. Now we have to deliver the guide that they've signed up for. So that's what we're going to do now. So under automation here, you can create the automation for your site being this landing page. So I'm going to click on create an automation, and this is where I will create that first email that delivers the guide. So here, when a subscriber completes a form, so if they fill out this form, which is your landing page, I want to send them an email. And this email is not designed, so you just name the email here, delivery, and this is a subject that they will be able to see. So I'll say something like, here is your guide. And who is this from? I want to write my name and then my brand, and this is the email address. We have to design the email, but yeah, so let's go ahead and design the email. Again, you can use a drag and drop editor, which is the easiest way to do it, or you could just use a template. I'm just going to go with the drag and drop editor and make it simple. And then in the future, every email you create, this is how you can create it. So I'm just going to remove the logo. I don't want it. I'll just say here is the guide you requested. And then I'm going to remove this. And here you could add an image or whatever. I do have an image here, so I'm just going to add that. Maybe just push this down here. So this is the image I created in Canva. Here is the guide you requested, and then this is the CTA. So I'm going to say download the guide. And then I'm adding a link to Canva where I've created the guide. So I'm sharing this design and I'm going to copy this link. This is the guide. So I'm going to put that link here. And you can change the color of the buttons if you wanted. You can go to settings, really here, edit, button settings. Could change it. Similarly, you can change the font, all of those things. I'm just going to remove all of this and just have this call to action in this email. And then you could have helpful links here. So you could add a link to your Instagram, a link to a website blog. So let's say we wanted to add a blog link that's relevant to this guide. So best resources, tech skills, and then you could add your blog link here. So I'll just add. So similarly, you could do that with other links, or you could just delete them. So that's it. That is your first email. I'm going to hit done editing, and that's your first email that's ready. So now you have your landing page, thank you page, and the first email ready to go out. Now, if you want to create an automated campaign that goes out to everyone who signs up, this is the first email. You can click here, add a delay of let's say 2 days. So let's say you wait for 2 days, then you can send them another email. This is where you could introduce your brand. You could sell a low-cost product, or you could invite them for a free call, all of those things. So I'm just going to write an email as like a brand story. So I'll say why her wealthy ambition. So her wealthy ambition is the name of my brand. So I'm just going to write a story about why I started this brand and all of those things. So same thing, you'll go ahead and design the email. For the purpose of this video, I'm not going to do that, but it's the exact same thing. Then again, you could wait for 2 more days, and then you could invite them for a call. I could just say quick chat. It's free. Something like this. Again, go ahead, design the email, write the content, save. And you could just keep adding emails here, right? So after 3 days, let's say you're sending out another email. So you could keep doing this, and this is a completely automated sequence of emails. Once you set this up, you don't need to touch it. Everyone who signs up on this landing page will end up receiving all of these emails. Once this is done, you will save it, and then you will activate it. Right now, I can't activate it because I haven't created these emails. So they're blank, so it's not letting me activate. But once you design all of these emails, it'll be ready and you can activate it here. Once you activate, you're done. You've created your pages, you've created your automations, and your automation is activated and you're ready to go. So again, I know this, we did a lot in a really short time, but you can go through this video multiple times and you're ready to go and get started with Mailerlite, build out your funnel, and then share the link. I'll show you which link you will share. So let's go back to sites. This is the one we just created. When you click on overview, this is the link you'll share. So let's say we copy this link and we paste it here. So this is the landing page that we just created. Someone signs up here. Let's say I sign up here. They will be taken to the thank you page. So this is the thank you page that we just created. And they will also be added to that automation once you activate the automation. So that's it. I hope this video on Mailerlite was helpful. If you would like to watch more such videos on marketing and tech tutorials, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.